The question of immunity has been raised over and over during the development of the COVID-19 pandemic, with as yet no satisfactory answer. Provable immunity would mean those who'd had the virus would be protected from a second infection, opening up the possibility of a return to normal life and everyday business, at least for a lucky few. However, the WHO has issued a report warning against assumptions regarding immunity. A report that Gibraltar's Ministers for Health and Public Health, as well as Director of Public Health and Acting Medical Director, had a chance to preview in a video conference meeting with World Infectious Diseases expert and former WHO executive, Professor David Heyman. In the report, the WHO says laboratory tests that detect antibodies to the virus need further validation to determine their accuracy and reliability, to avoid false positives and negatives, and to distinguish antibodies for this virus from other coronaviruses. And although it supports these studies, the WHO adds most are not designed to determine whether the antibodies detected confer immunity on those who have them. The WHO says there's therefore not enough evidence on the effectiveness of immunity arising from antibodies to guarantee the accuracy of an immunity passport or risk-free certificate, although the government of Chile has already announced it's to start issuing these. In fact, the WHO says the use of such certificates could actually increase the risks of continued transmission, as people who assume they're immune may ignore public health advice. The World Health Organization adds it will update its report on the question of immunity as new evidence becomes available.